Solana. Anatoly Yakovenko launched Solana project in 2017, and now this coin with nearly $13 billion market cap is 8th largest crypto in market. Solana's main purpose was to speed up transaction and ultra-lowering fees. That's why this network uses proof of history. It can provide a way to cryptographically verify passage of time between two events. This method doesn't need consensus, so it works fast and very secure. With this solution, Solana reached 59,000 TPS record. In Solana blockchain, each block is a slot. A validator called leader that is connected to a cluster creates these slots. A cluster expects only one validator to produce ladder entries. This crypto owes these numbers to its experienced developers. They are handpicked from best companies in world like Apple and Google. As the crypto market faced with correction, Solana experienced a straight growth and had gained 900%. Solana, unlike other coins, don't have any correlation with Bitcoin. You can easily buy Solana from domestic exchanges with a bank card and store it in wallets, like Phantom Wallet. Produced in Rasonet Studio.